Say hi. Right now we're just waiting on my friend Bree to come pick up me and Lila because there's supposed to be tornadoes today. And I guess Marines aren't allowed off work because it's not supposed to be a big deal. But we're just going to be on the safe side and go over to my friend's dad's house. So. What are you doing? Someone working. Fix it. Mommy. Fix it. There you go. Oh. So you have the wrong. Here you go. Okay. Go. Go.
Okay.
You want me to move you? Okay. It's okay. Bless you, thank you. What are you doing? Push go. Push the go button. Whoa. We've actually never had to recharge this yet, so that's pretty cool. Whoa. Okay. It's okay. What is that? Is that a saw? It's really hot and really windy outside. You go.
Yeah.
Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Can you wave?